Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how you can do the setup wizard for GarageMaster. So let's just check it out. So you need to log into GarageMaster admin, and then once you are there, go to dashboard, click on settings. That's the first step with the setup wizard. So once you click on settings, it's gonna give you a lot of options, but we're gonna complete the general tab for now. There are a lot of other things like other access site that we can cover in another video. But right now we're going to set up on the general settings where we will select the country, address, email, phone number, uh, the garage logo, so to say your auto repair shop logo, right? And then you can also have cover image that is used within the Garage Master software. And once you upload those details, you can just update it. So this will, make sure the settings is, done. So the tick appears over there. And then we're gonna do users. So we're gonna add one more users over here. So let's just add name, email, and phone for one user. We're gonna add the address uh, for this user. So this is how easy it is to add a customer user. Then we're gonna add employee user. So the employee would be the technician. So we're gonna add the first name, last name, email, phone, the designation, and things like that. And there are a lot of other details, but you can only fill up the mandatory fields, which is marked by star. So that's we have added one employee. Now let's add one supplier. So this is for your inventory. So we're gonna add James Smith as a supplier. You can always upload a supplier, meaning the user's profile picture as well, add the address. Then there are a lot of other details that if you want, you can upload that as well. So let's just submit to add the supplier. So we have successfully added the supplier, and now it's time to add the vehicles. So right now it's asking for vehicle for service, but that's a default category, and we're gonna add the vehicle type, like is it XUV, is it sedan, is it crossover, that kind of thing, right? So for now, we are selecting Jeep as a vehicle type, and the brand is going to be Jeep as well. And then you have number of other fields, number plate, select customer, for which customer you are adding this vehicle, and the branch. So you have multiple branches of your auto repair shop. That also is possible. So let's just save it and add the vehicle. And then now we can add a product. So this is your inventory. Remember, we added a supplier. So now we are going to type that supplier over here for inventory. So we're going to add the side meter, and Tyler Smith is the manufacturer name that we're going to add. And then you can have the warranty, product cost, the markup margin is your margin for selling that particular product. So product cost is your own cost, and markup margin adds your profit and the tax. So let's just save it. So now we have added one product, which is side meter. That side meter can be used when we are servicing a vehicle, and if the part needs to be replaced, we can use that. So now we're going to add the purchase module, try the purchase record as well. Again, selecting the Tyler Smith. So this is your $50 is your purchase price, right? So that's we're gonna add. So there is no markup here because this is your own cost to acquire this inventory. And the observational library is by default loaded in the system when you install Garage Master. So it is preloaded. So that step is already done, but you can always customize it. You can add your own observation library. These are the checkpoints that you do for services. And finally, we can create a job card. So we have all the customer, supplier, technician, everything created. Now finally, we can create a job card. It has automatically applied the job card number. Let's select the customer name, Washington Chain, and Jeep as a vehicle. And then we're gonna have the odometer value, vehicle pictures. If it is having some scratches, we can also define it over here, right? In the image. And then on the second step, we will add the checkpoints, right? This particular vehicle is having some issue that you add in observation point. So right for now, we just add and save the job card. So that's your set of visa, right? And within 9 or 10 steps, you can complete the whole set of visa. And this also forms you to get your garage management system ready for daily usage. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.